My name is Carol Subui. I'm originally from Louisiana, but I live in Houston, Texas. Been there 15 years. I am the guardian of my grandson. He's always been in my custody, but he lost his mom 2.5 years ago. So having the Merrick Bank credit card, it allows me, to help do for him more than I was before I got the credit card. The greatest benefit is really the affordable monthly minimum payments. The customer service reps are always there. They're nice, they're kind, and it's like they feel me, what I'm going through. I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't even going to ask it, but since I was affected by Hurricane Harvey, they suspended my payment. When my statement would come in, it would say zero due, and I was like, okay. Merrick Bank, they came through for me. They really did.